Stephen Loudmer. I'm Business Development for the Digital Factory and Process Industries and Drives Division of Siemens. I'd like to welcome you to the Future of Manufacturing event, an event really aimed at innovation and how we're going to take innovation into the next level, the next generation, and how ultimately the Industry 4.0 will be populated with new technology ideas. Industry, as we know in South Africa, is faced with many challenges. Industrialization has been on the decline for some time, and one of the biggest challenges we face is how do we reindustrialize as a nation, because South Africa really comes out of an industrialized environment and has been on the decline since the 70s. To give you an indication of that, the food and beverage industry used to contribute around 28% of the GDP back in the 70s, and today that contributes about 11%. So we have some serious challenges which we need to take care of. Some of those challenges include skills development, and I think that something that needs to be taken into account is the need for what has been successfully deployed in the automotive sector, the grey-collar worker, which will in future be used or should be utilized in a lot more industries. And then the need for low-level skills obviously needs to be improved. Some of the colleagues have already been interviewed today, including Johan Martins, our project manager for the Cyber Junkyard event, our corporate social responsibility program, which pitted 8 universities and technology colleges against each other, with this year an open house to come up with innovative ideas, and the results were quite encouraging. Rowan Dickinson, our business unit manager for motion control, he can provide a lot of insight into what makes the world go round in terms of manufacturing from his business side. And Ruben Benny, a promoter and product specialist in our factory automation division, who also can provide a lot of insight into that. I thank you, and I hope it's been a good event. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Johan Martins, project manager of the 2014 Siemens Cyber Junkyard. We had an interesting exam this time. We had 8 participants, and normally Siemens would give a theme, and the universities were requested to duplicate that theme and improve on it. And this happened since 2003. This year we decided South Africa is a place where we really need to get businesses started up, and we have to not just develop engineers but develop entrepreneurs that looks at the technical side and also looks at the engineering portion of it, as well as the business side. So they were evaluated on the technical, does the thing work, is it automated, how good is it put together, and then look at the business plan. Are they able to sell this? Do they already have customers? If they don't, how are they going to sell it? We had 8 universities that participated. The 8 universities were the College of Cape Town, it was the Central University of Technology, Durban University of Technology, NMMU, the Northwest University, Northlink, TUT and WITS. In the end, it was quite a close call, and we had 5 judges judging this. The 5 judges then each had their own score sheet. They scored each one and we added them all up, but after we added them up, they were quite a clear winner. After the first place, the others were very close, but the clear winner was the Cape Town College and the CCT with their coffee roaster. The second place was the automated cocktail machine of Durban that had quite a stir, and the third place was the intelligent maintenance assistant, and this machine is called Betty. So the intelligent maintenance machine was where you, the toolbox follows you, you get to the equipment that you want to repair, and it gives you instructions how to repair it. It also can act as a training mechanism. We are very excited about these, the youngsters of South Africa, and they will definitely, we are on the right track in South Africa. We can be very proud of each of the competitors, and especially the people that won the competition.
Good morning. My name is Rowan Dickerson, and I'm the Business Unit Manager for Motion Control. At Motion Control, we like to think that we move manufacturing, and especially with the theme of future manufacturing at the TIA User Forum this year, it's a case of how we are able to integrate our products with the other products that helps move manufacturing. We talk about TIA very often, totally integrated automation, but it's actually the understanding of what TIA is actually all about. TIA is how we are able to integrate our products, the drive products from the drive world into the automation world. It's about using a single platform, a single software package, if you like. It's about being able to, from one specific point, anywhere in the world, and being able to route through to your plant or factory at any time of the day or night, to be able to see the status of up to or any specific product that gives us that ability to move manufacturing as well. That's from an automation perspective. From a more, how can I say, hardware perspective, we also have another concept called IDS, Integrated Drive Systems. This has come about from the fact that we are able to supply the variable speed drive, the electric motor, and the geared motor, gearbox, as a complete solution from a single supplier. There are not many suppliers out there that can actually do this, and that is what makes us a step ahead of the rest, in that not only do we supply the complete drivetrain solution now, but we can actually control it with our own products as well, together with TIA. And that is key in us moving manufacturing.
Okay, so my name is Ruben Benny. I'm a product promoter, also called product sales specialist at Siemens in the factory automation division. My job is effectively to promote the PLC range, as well as the HMIs, the IDCs, the power supplies, and also some other auxiliary products which Siemens supplies. The future of manufacturing concept within Siemens, especially the factory automation division, leads a lot towards more compact, more efficient, as well as better quality products, okay, which in turn lead to better outcomes and higher productivity levels by companies. So for Siemens and for the factory automation division, the future of manufacturing means a lot from a product innovation point of view. So what we've seen recently is concepts such as cloud computing emerge, virtualization emerge, and in the future you will see and you will find that all of the control taking place in factories and process plants will, if they are not virtualized, they will reside, these sorts of controls will reside in very, very small, compact devices. So the days of big, bulky equipment are over. Technology is advancing at such a rapid rate that the traditional forms of process control automation are changing. Things will no longer be the way they used to. Like with cell phones, for instance. Right now you carry around this little cell phone, which is very small and compact, but in 10 years' time, you'll probably be wearing a little earpiece. And technology and automation is going the same way. Smaller, more compact, better performing devices, high performance, high specifications. So from our point of view in future manufacturing, the innovation aspect of our business is very interesting and exciting. So besides that, what Siemens is inclined to do and has started doing and has been doing for many years is integrating companies' integrating other companies' businesses with our business. And this we do via ERP systems, MES systems, whereby we're able to report to customers on exactly what's happening in the manufacturing processes. So Siemens becomes a part of the supply chain in supplying a product or service to the customer. And our aim is obviously to assist customers in improving their return on investment, shareholder value,